Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the watch settings and then tap on it, of course. In watch settings, scroll down and find the connectivity and then tap on it. Then tap on Wi-Fi. And here, tap on My Networks. And in the My Networks menu, you have basically a list of networks that are saved on your watch. And that networks, basically, if your watch is in vicinity of one of the networks and it has best reception, it will connect to it automatically. And let's say you want to disconnect from one of those networks. You need to tap on one, then tap on Remove, and then press the Start button to confirm. And the network will disappear from My Network list, which means that the watch won't connect to it anymore. Okay, and then we can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.